Using Google Takeout we can back up our account-related all data such as calendar, Google Drive, YouTube videos etc. In this video, I am taking backup of my Gmail emails. Search Google Takeout and click on the first link. It will take us to log in our Gmail account. Log into our Gmail account. As you can see, we can take backup of 44 items related to our Google account. I am selecting only Gmail, so click on Deselect All option. Search Gmail and select using the box. After selecting, scroll down and click on Next Step. On the second stage, we have to choose the file type or how we want our data. On frequency, either we can select export once or export every 2 months for 1 year. After selecting all options, click on Create Export. Once all the emails are copied, I will get downloadable link on my Gmail. Depends upon the email size, it will take time. This is how we can back up the Gmail emails through Google Takeout for free. Thanks for watching.